Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna explore the errors, especially errors. We just work with errors, right? Um, First of all, if I'm gonna search for the error.js, we can see some kind of the components are here, right? Some kind of code statements. But we need to delve into some features of the errors, how we can display the error message for the user, and how we can handle some errors by the server side and client side as well, right? We can do it by only the creating the specific error file in Next.js. Yeah, it's very easy, right? We can do it. Let's start. For example, we have the products. For example, let me close all. um, our products page, product ID and review, blah, 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 right? And product ID and specific for specific ID and params will be showed up. For example, if I'm gonna go to the products page, you can see right here, only we created 3 or 4 products, 3 and 100, right? If I'm gonna, if I'm gonna go uh, products, sorry, products and one page, you can see right here it's the first product that will be showed up here, right? Okay, I think that makes sense for you, but we can inside of the root of the inside the product ID page, we can just create error.tsx file, right? How we can do it? For example, uh, don't worry about it because we can keep writing a code, specific code. Error.js, but we need error.tsx file, right? You can see right here. Let me copy that file and paste it, pass it here, error message, for example, error, blah, blah, blah. But we need to know how we can display this page. For example, sometimes users can make a mistake for a specific mistake routing system. For example, if I'm gonna one-on-one page, go to the one-on-one page, it's opening the one-on-one page. If I'm gonna 102 page, it's opening. But um, for the specific route, for the specific product, it will handle an error. How we can do it? Uh, let me that here and product ID. For example, if I'm gonna create the get random function, get random function, right? For example, like this, but we need to count, and also the is a parameter. We just count here. It's a number, right? Last dot floor and like this. Oh, sorry. Okay, I think it's okay. And random get one, not get run 100, but we need to only use it for get random 2, only 2. And if random 1, and random error open it and display it on the screen, right? Okay, this is the error message, guys, through new error and random error, right? If I'm gonna go to first page, it's opening, right? It's opening, but we need to go to the error.tsx file and put that here. Not something went wrong, but error message. Okay, and error message and reset. So I'm gonna go here, random error. You can see right here because we just taking this message, this right here, and try again. So I'm gonna click this button, try again, not working. What the heck? Uh, you can see right here, reset, not reset. I don't know exactly, but um, reset this code and you can sometimes do temporarily. In this case, try again might resolve this issue. Yeah, sometimes solve this fix and this problem Component can be the function to prompt the user to attempt to recover from the error. When executed, the function will try to re-render another boundary contents. A successful error components replace it. Okay, so I'm gonna refresh the page. For example, go to the first one. Yeah, it's error, right? Random error because we created the random error. Oh, sorry. It's a random, just like this. Uh, Random message, but this random will be here. Product is a product ID, right? Params for the params product ID. But if random one, random error will be showed up here. Try again, not working. Okay, no problem. But you can see right here, reset page. Try again, and blah blah blah. Digest setting and a string is a string. Okay, try again. Okay, try again. It's working. You can see right here. So I'm gonna refresh because random will be one, will equal to random. So I'm gonna uh, what the problem is here, but it should be resolved, but it's not working. I don't know exactly. So I'm gonna click this button. Yeah, it should. I mean, it worked properly like this, right? It's just a simple example, but I would come to just build a new project by yourself and apply all topics to your project. It's a simple project or advanced project, it doesn't matter. It depends on your level right now. Okay, but I only guide you a reference and how to learn self. I mean, how to be a self-taught developer, right? Because Next.js will be updated as soon as all technologies like keep updating and keep like keep being a new to developers, right? With new features and new learning curve and learning curve cycles. I would recommend you only the stay up to date and join the community and also the familiar with new technology and apply it for yourself and to yourself, right? Okay, thank you guys for this uh for your attention to this video. We can uh, explore next topic, next lesson. Parallel road, unmatched road, blah blah blah. Lesson 17 and lesson 26. We just finish it all topics, not only topics, but uh, some requirement and the required topics for building Next.js. It's simple Next.js project, right? Okay, thank you guys. See you in the next video.